Yeah, just went on a super long mini bike ride, and it was wonderful. Well, super long as in it was like 5.5 miles. But yeah, the exhaust broke off, and so I had to ride it back on a straight pipe, and it was real loud and stuff. Dag nabbit. Straight pipe. I rode, it was about 3 miles with a straight pipe. Did the best I could. The exhaust was really hot. So I wrapped it up in my work shirt and come home with it. Dang it. Looks like I'm gonna have to weld that back together. Good thing Dustin left his welder over here. Thanks, Dustin. At first I gotta get out the threaded section. There was a little hold down screw. I already took that out off camera. Okay, that's what we got to weld back on. Alright, I made myself a quick little, what do you want to call it, splatter shield, because there's a lot of flammables about this area, so I made this quick little thing. Hopefully this crude thing will work out just fine. Back over to the bike. The exhaust is still extremely hot. For the muffler, I mean. There it is. I'm sure if I cared more, I could have made those welds look really good, but they turned out fine and it should be sealed up. So I'm thinking we should give it a start and see if it actually, you know, see if it leaks. Everything seems good. Alright guys, that was just a quick little update that I wanted to hit you with. I haven't dropped an episode in longer than I'd like, but I'm working on the next episode already. There's probably a hint somewhere in this shot right now of what I'm going to be working on. So, until then guys, take care, and I'll see you next time.